Hey, what's up, Professor? Welcome back to my 2-minute tip video. So in today's video, I'm pretty excited to show you guys exactly how I fix my AirPods. So last night, I don't know what's wrong with my AirPods, but my left AirPod did not connect through my smartphone. Although I tried to forget this device from my iPhone for many times, and after pairing back this to my iPhone, again the problem still existed, and I thought that I have to buy a new one just to replace this. But thanks to Apple, I found the information that Apple posted in their discussion forum. This is what I found. The 30 seconds. Yeah, this is what I missed. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is how I fix my AirPods. What you have to do is to go to the settings, and then you go to the Bluetooth. You need to find the name of your AirPod. So in this case, my AirPods is my name, so for the free as an AirPods. So click on the exclamation mark. You can see the exclamation mark here, and you have to click on forget this device. Just forget this device and forget this device. Now I don't have any AirPods installed. After you disconnect, make sure that you open your case and you can see not your AirPod not connected to this iPhone. So make sure that after you unpair, you can take out the AirPod, just 1 or 2 AirPods out of the case. Yeah, okay, just take them out, put them back. Make sure that you wait for 30 seconds. It's really important, guys. As I mentioned in this video, I've tried unpairing my device for a few times, but it still didn't work. Okay, after the 30 seconds, what you have to do is just open the case, and then try to hold down this button at the back, and you can see the light flashing inside over there. Yeah, and then you will get this message pop up. Okay, just click connect and click done. Now you're ready to go. All the AirPods now work perfectly. Okay, that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos in the future, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment down below. Cheers.